In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a chart of accounts into QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add new accounts properly so your financial reports stay accurate and easy to understand. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look toward the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the setup options for your company. From the Settings menu, find and select Chart of Accounts. This is essentially the backbone of your accounting system in QuickBooks. It's the list of all the accounts you use to track what you own, what you owe, what you earn, and what you spend. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look for the New button, usually toward the top right of the list. Click New to start creating a new account. You'll now see a form where you can enter the details for this account. Begin by typing in a clear account name. Make it specific and easy to recognize later. For example, instead of just bank account, you might use checking account main, so you can tell it apart from any other checking or savings accounts you might add later. Next, choose an account type from the drop-down menu. This tells QuickBooks whether this account is an asset, a liability, equity, income, or an expense. Right under that, you'll choose a detail type. The detail type helps QuickBooks categorize the account even more precisely for reporting. If you're unsure which type to pick, choose the one that best matches how you plan to use the account. And when in doubt, check with your accountant or bookkeeper. If this account should roll up under another account, check the box that says, "Make this a sub-account." Then select the parent account from the drop-down. Sub-accounts are useful when you want more detail. For example, you might have a main utilities account and sub-accounts for electricity, water, and internet. If the account type is an asset, liability, or equity account, you'll see fields for an opening balance and an A's of date. Enter the balance that the account had on the specific date you want QuickBooks to start tracking it, and then enter that date. This step is important for keeping your beginning balances accurate. You can also add a description if you'd like. This is optional but helpful for clarifying how or when the account should be used, especially if multiple people work in the books. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new account will now appear in the Chart of Accounts and is ready to use in your transactions and reports.